Remedies for shortness of breath, chest infection and persistent cough. Steam inhalation. Inhale steam with vaporub to clear congestion and mucus from your lungs. Manage weight. Losing weight can alleviate breathing problems associated with obesity. Avoid exercising in hot weather. High temperatures can worsen shortness of breath. Garlic. Garlic helps treat shortness of breath by improving lung function and clearing mucus. Deep breathing exercises. Practice deep breathing to reduce stress and promote relaxation. 6. Citrus fruits. Start your day with lemon juice and honey in a warm water. Ginger. Ginger relieves cold symptoms and aids in breathing by preventing mucus production and clearing infections. 8. Vapor rub. Rubbing vapor rub on your chest can reduce asthma attacks and improve airflow to the lungs.